Hello, my name is Adam Harris, and this video accompanies my blog, What Did You Just Play?, which focuses on talking about video games, specifically in regards to PC gaming. As a gamer, I enjoy talking about games, the good, the bad, the ugly. Just like you, I game, so I don't mind talking about video games. I love giving out tips, tricks, in my opinion, when it comes to gaming on PC. The link to my website is https://www.am2459.rutgers-sky.domain/wordpress. This link can also be found in the video description. This video aims to showcase the power of PC gaming, which unlike consoles such as PS4, PS5, Xbox, allow you to make modifications to games. In this tutorial video, I will show you how to install MultiMC, a program that installs Minecraft mod packs, or in other words, a collection of mods. As gamers, we love replayability, and often on consoles that replayability is low as the game is fixed. Often there is debate regarding the usage of mods, with people saying it's difficult to set up or it's a hassle to run each time. I like to challenge that assumption with this example though. Let's see one of the most beloved aspects of PC gaming, modding, and action, and see how modding can be built up and utilized each time. Game with MultiMC, we're going to navigate to multimc.org. And as you can see, this is the homepage for MultiMC. Scrolling down, you're going to go to download and install, and you're going to select the applicable choice of installation. For us, that is Windows, so I'm going to hit download. And then I'm going to hit show in folder. Bring it over, we have MultiMC right here, so what we're going to do is we're going to right click, you're going to 7-zip, extract here, and then all we're going to do is we're going to go inside, and then we're going to hit MultiMC. This is the screen that we're going to get. It's going to be a blank screen. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to the top right where it says profiles. We're going to hit manage accounts. We're going to hit add a Microsoft account if you have a Microsoft account, or add Mojang if you have a Mojang account. I have a Microsoft account, so I'm just going to click on the link that is presented. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to just move this to the side just so you don't see my information. Just give me one moment while I punch this code in. And we should be signed in momentarily. Cool, we are now signed in. Cool, so that's all set. Now that we have our MultiMC set up, I'm just gonna hit add instance. And then as you can see, we have a whole collection of mods that we can choose from. I'm just gonna choose FTB. And then I'm just gonna do Diary of 20, 1.13.2, the latest version. Let that download. And then I'm just going to double click to start. Now depending on how long this takes, I may speed up the video just for time constraint purposes. Now we are fully loaded into Minecraft. As you can see, the installation is complete, the mods are installed, and we are essentially good to go. Now, quitting out of that, coming back to MultiMC, as you can see, we've installed MultiMC, which shows that modding is completely easy and it is possible within Minecraft. Now, this shows that we can look for other games as well to modify if we wish to. As gamers, specifically PC gamers, we can make modifications that offer endless amounts of replayability. Often modding may seem difficult, but as you see, it's not as bad, considering the community has made it so easy. Considering you have these buttons, it's all click to launch, there's a GUI, it's very easy. Thus, if you're interested in gaming, specifically PC gaming, please share this video and subscribe for future content. Again, my blog is linked below, so please check it out and comment. I look forward to hearing from you and seeing you in the comments. Thank you very much.